So hi guys, so today we have OnePlus Nord 2. So I am going to unbox it. So I got it from Amazon. So it's already been, I am using it from last 2 to 3 days. And this is the 12 GB, 256 GB version. And I got it for like 34,999. And let's just unbox it. So actually the phone is already outside and I'm using it from last 2 to 3 days. So you get the phone over here. This is the column where you get the phone, and in this sleeve all you have is, I will just take it out. So in this sleeve you have the stickers, the normal OnePlus Nord 2 stickers, the user guide which no one is bothered about. There is one more user guide in Chinese language, and this is the red club card that you get. And here is a letter from the team from Nord. It says like last year was all about new beginnings, so it is nice. And this doodling effect which has been done is very nice. And apart from that, what you get again is a charger. It's a 65-watt warp charger, and this is quite bulky, I must say. And I don't know why OnePlus is still going with this red accent, wherein they can always do something for the Nord. Like when this is blue, and the box is blue. Why not the cable blue? So that is what it is. And I've been using this OnePlus Nord from last 2 days, and with Dimensity 1200, the chipset is very fast, and you can see this. The chipset is pretty fast, and the fingerprint response is also nice. I will just do it. So this was the first impression video. So what I am going to do now is I am going to use this phone for another 15-20 days, and I am going to get a pure view about what exactly this whole thing is. Because I was wondering in YouTube, and I was seeing a lot of videos from like so-called honest YouTubers, and I don't know why, but these people seem to be all they here to be biased to me. Like when it comes to Realme versus OnePlus, both are from BBK technologies or electronics, but somewhere I thought this is going in favor of Realme X7 Max, wherein the camera on this phone is really very good. It is capable of a very good photography. This has got a 50 megapixel shooter at the rear, and the 8 megapixel ultra wide is awful, I would say. It is not that bad, but it is bad for any of the new entrants. And in a price range of 30K, yes, the ultra wide should have been 12 megapixel, because that is what we get in Samsung and all other phones. So this was the first impression of OnePlus Nord 2 for you. So we would be shooting many videos and many photographs from this, and I will constantly use this for next 15 days, and we will get back to you with the honest update. So the only thing I can say is like, see, I don't have that much followers to lie upon this. The phone has come with an like, it is actually my friend's phone. He has given me for unboxing and to have a first look. So I just told him like I would want to use it for 10-15 days, and then I would be like gauging what exactly the issue is. So that's it, guys. So what I will do is I will use it, and I will see you in the next one with a pure review about the OnePlus Nord 2. And we are awaiting Realme 8 4G soon. So I just wanted to do a detailed review because Realme has been in confusion a lot. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and get them what exactly they want to be. So please subscribe to the channel. We would like, so this is the first time I am entering into the tech world. I must say this phone is the first investment, because I always wanted to do this, but the only thing that I lacked was the monetary front. But this is the first time I'm getting into this, and it is a reality. Like, I would not be in a position to afford many phones, so I would be getting up to my friends and asking them for a phone review and everything. So we will do that more often so that we get some good traction in the channel. And so thank you, kudos to you, thank you for connecting in. Bye bye.